Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you're doing well. Assalamu alaikum public. Hope you're doing well. So please confirm me if my voice is okay. Or my screen is visible to all of you. Please do the confirmation quickly so I can start my session. Mm, I am fine, bro. What's about you guys? What's really going on? Market is very uncertain right now. Right? Thank you so much, guys, for confirmation. So, first of all, let me analyze BTC. I have open daily time frame. So, guys, one thing keep in mind: current this demand zone is hell of important for BTC. One thing keep in mind: if any candle, keep in mind, if any candle, if price break down this demand zone, you can clearly see prior we didn't see any breakdown, just a retest then pump, just a retest then pump. Okay, again just a liquidation hunt then pump. Again same here, just a liquidation hunt then pump. So if price keep in mind break down this support over here, then keep in mind BTC will bleed. Okay, keep in mind if BTC lose this demand zone, then you can expect price to drop more till here. You know what, till 94, 95 level. And if BTC bleed, you know what really happened with arts coin. You know what, arts coin will bleed more. If you know what BTC bleed dump around 6-7%, and on the other side arts coin will be bleed around 10 to 20 to 30%. Okay, so stay with your holding, try to observe the scenario. You got it, what's really going on. Okay. mm, Let me analyze Ethereum as well, so you get to know what's really going on. First of all, we are in bearish leg and price start dumping now. So far we got around 7% dump. More dump is on the way because price is trading below this demand zone. This is a demand zone. Price break down it, a temporary pullback, now again start dumping now. So more dump on the way. Okay, so this is my stance on Ethereum. Now let's analyze gold. Gold is bearish. I predicted this on daily market update. I told you or sooner price will pump and tap this supply zone, and exactly that happened. Now, so now I'm expecting a counter pullback in it to a downside onto this breaker. Okay, so this is my bias. A temporary pullback might trigger here before continuation upside move. Okay, so now the first query is render. Let me analyze it. First of all, you can clearly see render is showing some consolidation here. Okay, some consolidation here. Just you know what, range bound market. So what makes us bullish here, let me adjust it. Okay, in this range try to trade less. Okay, in this range try to range less. If price break out above, then you can look for long here. If price break down downside, like break down this range, then you can look for short. If I tell you one thing here, the most probability chances here that price will break down this to a downside, lose this range, and come to a downside a lot, like these low ranges. Okay, this is my prediction on render. Hope you got it. Well, I am somehow bearish on render. 10, 20, 15% downside move in with will trigger in it. Okay. Well, blender update बहुत loss में हूँ. You may face more loss. Okay. Near, let me analyze, let me check near. We will check on weekly time frame what's really going on it. So I told you this supply zone is very important, and exactly what happened. You can clearly see a dump downside. Okay, what really should you have to do over here? Let me wait. Okay, well, you just simply sell here, here, buy here. Okay, sell the high, and you know what? Sell the resistance by the top. Now I am bullish in it. More downside move is expected in near. So this is what my stance on it. Hope you got it. Well, let's analyze next QD. We are, you can clearly see bearish. Momentum is bearish in it, and price jumping really well. PHB, just wait, I have to check out. Okay, PHB is bearish. Most important reason is, you know what, is that liquidation. Price already grabbed all the liquidation above the highs. Now, price will drop downside to liquidate the lows, liquidate the all stop losses. So that's why I'm expecting PHB to dump. And sector is also bearish. Lower low required to buy the dips. Okay, this is my recommendation to all of you. Please follow it. Okay. Well, next QD is ARB. Let we will check out on weekly time frame. We are bearish, guys. Keep in mind. Let me mark a trend line. If I, you know what, select this low, then this low, and drag the trend line, you can clearly see price just break down. You know what, trying to closing its weekly candle below the trend line. That is a bearish confluence. This bearish candle closing below the trend line causes price to dump more toward downside. Okay, so this is what I am expecting in A and B. B will dump more toward downside, so you have to prepare with it. You have fun to buy the dips below. You know what, when price dump more, you have fun to buy it. Okay, to buy the dips, to accumulate, you know what, to average out your buying. So this is my recommendation to all of you. Well, next QD, next QD is US 30. Yeah, this one. US 30 is in bullish trend. We are almost bullish, and I was also bullish. I told you that you know what, I am expecting a pump in it, just a small dump, then again continuation pump upside has triggered it. So this is what really I was expecting, and that scenario has been played out. Now keep in mind, now I am bearish in on. I am bearish because this is range high, and this is range low. This is range low. What really happened, price break out it, and very next, you know what, close below the range. This is close below the range high. So this all are deviation. This is deviation. So this, you know what, make the scenario bearish, and I will target this lows. So I am bearish on US 30. You can expect downside movement in it. Okay, so try to look for short position. When US 30 here, you know what, when was here, I was bullish, and US 30 successfully achieved this high. Now price shows deviation to us. Now I am bearish. I'm expecting this low to be achieved. Okay, so this is my prediction on US 30. Well, next is blunder दिन ब दिन all time low बना रहा है. Kind of explain कर दे Hamza Asgar. Keep in mind, blender will dump more. Now it's your mind sixth sense, how you have to prepare with it. You know what, you have fund at backend to buy the dip. You have, I will tell you one plan here. I will recommend you one thing over here. You have to sell 50% blender holding and come to USGT, so that you, that 50% selling will help you out to buy the dips. Okay, this is my recommendation to you, brother. Don't hold all your holding, because it will bleed more day by day, and your loss will be increased day by day. So simply, if you want to reduce your loss, just sell your 50% 40% holding into USGT, and that, you know what, when you got USGT, you utilize that USGT to buy the dips. Okay, uh, I will also recommend you to uh, I will also recommend you here that try to come into very good project, then blender. Like you can come into Solana. Solana is more good project than Blender. You can come into Ethereum. You can come into XRP. Just right now, a couple of hours ago, you know what? XRP ETF just got listed. You know what? This is bullish. You know what? Fundamental for XRP. XRP's fundamentals are strong than Blender. So your pair is not affording you. Why are you still holding it? Okay. So you know what? Try to use your mind and make a plan that help you out. Okay. Hope you like my recommendation, brother. Well, next scenario is CLOUSDT. Let me analyze. My goodness, this looks like a shit pair. Yeah, exactly. This is just a bearish downtrend. Okay, that is continuously running. Start from here, reach till now here. You know what? It will blade downside more like this. This is just a zigzag pattern in the downtrend, not bullish trend. So this will bleed more slowly, slowly. Like you know what? Dump it again, dump, pump again, like zigzag pattern. So, but overall we are bearish. So far, 60% dump has completed. This will again doing like zigzag pattern and dump more toward downside. This is what I am expecting in CLO. Okay. Well, I like you, brother, that you got it. What I am trying to say. Well, beat USDT. Okay, beat pumped really well. In just one day, a 200% pump. Very nice. Well, this is just accumulation. This is a expansion. Now I will recommend you don't hold it anymore, because anytime you can look for a distribution phase in it. This is the expansion, this is the accumulation, this would be our distribution phase, because the people who buy here will definitely sell their holding at the top. In that case, price will bleed. So, and in that scenario, our distribution phase will play out. Okay, so I'm expecting it to dump downside. If you have any holding, just sell it out. This is my recommendation to you, brother. Well, next is just hold on, guys. Okay, I will do 1 2 CLO buying 03234. How to cut loss or big one. How to cut loss? It's very simple. Just go to exchange. Just you know what, you have open position. Just close now. Well, I already told you this is bearish, but this you know what, this is playing with your emotions, like dump little pump, again dump little pump. But I will show you one thing over here, how you can recover it. This is a lower trend line. I will suggest you just hold a bit here. A counter, you know what, a counter recovery is expected upside, then you can sell here. Again price will dump downside again. Okay, so a counter recovery 20% 15% is expected, and you can come out at break one. This makes sense, because in history you can clearly see a counter recovery has, you know what, counter recovery has happened in the history. Pump, 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 again pump is expected, and in this pump you can come out at break even. This is my recommendation to you, brother. Well, mm, this is all analysis I have done. Well, I am going to close the live. If not any query left, I sorted all queries. This makes sense, because in his okay, BTC analysis I have done BTC analysis with proper, you know what, guidance, what's really going on, what's really predictions on it. So hope you like my analysis. Now, guys, I am winding up this session. Thank you so much for joining. I will see you guys in the next session. Please, you know what, remind me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz. Yeah. One thing, you know what, yeah. Please pray Durud Pak sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Please, guys, I recommend you to all. Please read it one time. And I'm going to wind up this session. Thank you so much for joining. Allah.